Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today is a glorious day. I am so blessed to be able to wake up this morning and to do this video for y'all. Today I want to talk to you about the storage on the bikes. What Tanya and I use, the luggage that we use for the front, the trunk, the saddlebags, for day rides, overnight trips, or long distance rides. So let me give you some specs on the F3 and the RT for the storage. Now for Grace, which is the F3, want to let you know the front storage has 6.45 gallons of space. The saddlebags have 6.87 gallons of storage space, and the top trunk has 15.85 gallons of storage. Now, the maximum load of what you can carry in there is 15 pounds. For the RT Spyder, Sea to Sky, my front has 15.32 gallons of storage. The saddlebags have 13.74 gallons of storage, and the top trunk has 11.36 gallons of storage. For the trunk, the maximum weight is 20 pounds. The maximum weight for the saddlebags is 15, and 35 pounds maximum weight for the front. Now, what does that mean with the gallons? For Tanya's front, 6.4 gallons. So that means I can put, what, 6 gallons of milk in there? Let me show you what will fit in these storage compartments. Now, as you can see, I got several bags down here on the garage floor. And let's start with Grace. As you can see, this is Tanya's front. Looks pretty small. You can't put a helmet in there. She can put her jacket in there. She can put her rain gear in there or her cover. Right now, all she carries in here is water and her motor wear. Now let's look at her saddlebag. Here, I forget what she carries in here, but this is how big her saddlebag is. It has a little compartment here to hold stuff in, but let me show you this here. She has this bag here that will fit right in here. And she can put clothes in here for maybe 1 or 2 days. You know, nothing bulky, of course. But that's pretty much it that she can really get in there. Those saddlebags are small. On her other side of her saddlebag, this is where she carries her rain gear, her cover, if she doesn't have it in the front. Let me show you her trunk. Now, this is her trunk. So, pretty good size. You can actually get 2 full-size helmets in there. She also has a bag that goes in here. Right here. This is the bag. And she can get a couple days worth of clothes in here when we take overnight trip or a couple days trip. So she can use this. Now for long distance trips, she has this bag right here. She got this bag here at Cycle Gear. She can actually get at least 5 days of clothes in there, which is good. And what we do is we'll stick it on the back seat and strap it down. So with her bag on the back seat, that frees up storage for her trunk and for her saddlebags. Now, as for my bike, the RT Sea to Sky, my storage is a lot larger than hers. So let me show you the front. Now, this is the front, and there's plenty of space in here. The only thing I have in here right now, in the bag, that's my window cleaner and a couple of towels. But what will fit in there when we go on a day trip and we're getting something to eat, I have this little backpack cooler, and it fits right in there. And closes up with no problem. Also, when I was working, I would have my backpack, which had my laptop in it, other things in it, and I could put this in the front also. So that will fit. Now with the trunk, this bag, you see the trunk, this bag here will also fit in the trunk, and I have the same bag as Tanya that can go back here. I can get a few days of clothes in here also, but I also have this bag, and I got this from Sling Mod, and it fits in there too, and it's expandable. Now, this bag here, it is not as big as this one. So for more than a couple of days trips, I could use that bag there, or just for 1 or 2 days, I could use this bag here. Now, as for my saddlebags, let me show you the saddlebags. I also got these from Le Monster, and these are the soft case. So pretty much good space in there. On the right side, only thing I really carry in here is some gloves, a hoodie, and a windbreaker. I use that on the right side. Let me show you. I have the bag here. The right side, I have my tool bag. I have my rain gear. I have my cover for my bike, and then tool bag here. So it's always good to have a tool bag. Now for my bike, I have this Saddleman bag here. Got this off of Amazon. And I can get at least 5-6 days worth of clothes in here. I used it last year when we went to Key West, and I overpacked. I mean, I thought we were going to be doing some other things after, riding around that evening, but we didn't. So I really overpacked. But the way this bag works is I put it on the back seat. I have to take my backrest off. I have the straps here, which are under the back seat. I have to take the back seat off, put these straps on there, and it will sit right in the back. All I have to do is just take this off. This is my backrest. And I would just take the straps, strap it down on each side. That holds it in place. I still carry my backrest. I'll just put it in the front. And for the Saddleman bag, it has plenty of storage. It has let me show you here. It has storage here. It has storage in here. It has a storage here and storage on the side. So it is a pretty good bag. A friend of mine, William, he told me about it. He had one on a trip that we did to Asheville, and I saw his, and it's like, I got to get one. That's perfect. Now that Tanya has her bike, she's not a passenger, you know. So this is a good bag here. One last thing. These here are collapsible chairs and table. Now the chairs, and we'll take these with us for day rides. If we know we're going somewhere to a park or something like that where seating is limited, we'll take that. They'll fit right in there. This here is a table. Now, as for the table, it will not fit in here. It is just too tall. So what I'll do is I'll put this on the back seat and strap it down. That's pretty much it on the storage and the luggage that we use on the bikes. I know the gallon thing, that threw me off. So with the luggage that we purchased, we now know what we can carry, what we can't carry. And basically we carry the necessities of what we're gonna need. We try and not carry any extra stuff, especially on long distance trips, because the more clothes you carry in these bags, the heavier they are. So you try and travel as light as possible. Day trips, definitely get you some of those chairs. They at Costco. I'll put a link in the description. They do come in handy for when you're riding your bike to maybe an event somewhere in town, and you know they don't have seating. You can take that and you have your own seating with you. And most of the time, we'll carry those pretty much during the summertime, except for overnight trips or long distance trips. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do have any questions, go ahead, put it in the comments and I'll definitely get back to you. Also, give this video a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do so. Well, you enjoy the rest of your day. Ride safe out there. And remember, we ride by faith.